Welcome to Lisle 202. In this video, we will walk you through how to complete the online registration process for the upcoming school year in the PowerSchool Parent Portal. Go to the Find It Fast menu in the top right corner. Click on the Parent PowerSchool Portal link. For returning students, log into the portal with your current username and password. If you have multiple students in the district, please complete the forms for each student by clicking their name in the top left corner of the PowerSchool screen. Once a student is selected, click on the Forms button in the left menu to begin registering for the upcoming school year. In the Registration Forms portal, you will see 6 forms to complete. Start with Form A. Returning student information will be pre-populated for you. Please verify that the information is correct. New students will need to fill in all the information on this form. Please click Submit once you are sure the information is accurate. You will then be taken to the next form. On Form B, please be sure to include at least one emergency contact. Residency documentation will be submitted on Form C. Please refer to the new residency documentation requirements to determine if you need to upload documentation for your child or children. The form will also guide you as you click on the applicable options. Any required health forms may be uploaded into Form D. Please note that only scanned copies will be accepted as an upload. Photos of health forms will not be accepted. Upon successful completion of Form F, click Submit to finish registration for your child. Reminder, if you have more than one child to register, please toggle to their name in the top left corner and complete all the registration forms for each child enrolled in Lisle 202. The district will begin communicating with their families about registration status in late June. Thank you.